Hello. It's time for rest, it's time for rest, it's time for peace and calm. It's time for rest, it's time for rest, it's time for peace and calm. Hello and happy day. Oh, I've had a fun day, but sometimes throughout the day, it's important to take time for just quiet, stillness, and just to settle down. So I brought a favorite blanket that I love and a soft little cuddly. Say hello, Blue. Hello. Do you have something soft and cuddly that when you sit down to be quiet that you like to snuggle with? And when you're ready to settle down, or if you feel like you want to be more energetic, you can choose to be calm and quiet. And did you know that you can yawn? Oh, you can just yawn intentionally, and it just helps you just calm right down. You can do it 3 or 4 times. Do it. Try it. Sigh a little bit. Yawn again. It's so peaceful. Isn't that nice? It's just nice to just curl up and be quiet. What can you hear? You get really quiet and listen. You focus on the sounds. Right now in the distance, I can hear somebody with a leaf blower. It gives you a nice point of focus. Can you hear a bird? Or maybe you can hear your own breath. If you sit quietly and just listen to what you hear. Just sit quietly and listen. Oh, and you can yawn. And just be calm and quiet. And maybe take a little nap. Just be cozy. And you can think quiet, peaceful words. Calm. When you think of the word calm, what does it make you think of? And being outside on a beautiful day in the sunshine, just feeling the sun and calm. Quiet. You think of quiet, what do you think? And curling up, maybe in your favorite spot. Maybe you have a favorite chair, favorite spot on the sofa. And I know you do. With pillows all around you. You can just be quiet and cozy. And curl up with your favorite snugly. Yawn. Just take some time to be quiet. Just be quiet. Enjoy it. Peace and quiet. Listen to what you can hear. And be thankful for moments in the day when you can just enjoy. Quiet. Maybe you're snuggling with your mom or your dad. Or even sitting quietly with a book. It's really fun. Quiet. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quiet time together. And I will see you next time. Bye, beautiful.